Hi guys, we are again at our online English lesson and today we start Module 8, Journeys. Open your student books on page 88, please. Journeys – путешествия. We'll learn past simple, irregular, affirmative, negative and questions. Мы продолжаем, ребята, изучать прошедшее время. В этом разделе мы познакомимся с неправильными глаголами образования утвердительных, отрицательных и вопросительных предложений. Vocabulary, means of transport and clothes. Мы в словарном нашем запасе добавим средства транспорта и одежду. Speaking, talking on the phone. Мы будем учиться говорить по телефону. And writing, to write a travel blog or travel diary. Мы будем учиться писать дневник наших путешествий. So, exercise 1, vocabulary, means of transport. Match the vehicles in the picture to these words and listen, check and repeat. Соедините транспортные средства, которые вы видите на картинке, с этими словами. Let's look at the picture. Давайте мы с вами посмотрим на картиночку и послушаем транспортные средства. Then you write them into your vocabularies. Затем вы их запишете в ваши словарики. So let's listen. Track 15. Start, please.
CD 3, Track 15. 1. Car. 2. Scooter. 3. Plane. 4. Helicopter. 5. Coach. 6. Lorry. 7. Boat. 8. Train. 9. Bus. 10. Canoe. 11. Tube. 12. Motorbike. 13. Van. 14. Bike.
Okay. And now please let's read these words and translate them into Russian. Читаем слова, переводим на русский язык, записываем их в наш словарик. Bike – велосипед. Boat – лодка. Bus – автобус. Canoe – каноэ. Car – машина. Coach – автобус. Helicopter – вертолет. Lorry – грузовик. Motorbike – мотоцикл. Plane – самолет. Scooter – мопед. Train – поезд. Tube – метро. Van – фургон. Then try to match. Затем попробуйте соединить слова и картинки. Exercise 2. Which vehicle from exercise 1 can you hear, listen and say? Послушайте, пожалуйста, и определите, какие это транспортные средства. Listen, please.
CD 3, Track 16. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6.
Wait! Wait!
Get on then.
7. 8.
Okay, boys and girls, let's check up your work. Number 1, it's a boat. Number 2, it's a plane. Number 3, it's a bike. Number 4, it's a train. Number 5, it's a motorbike. Number 6, it's a bus. Number 7, it's a helicopter. Number 8, it's a canoe. Exercise 3. Where do you usually use each type of transport? Complete the list. Divide your exercise book into 3 columns. Поделите свою тетрадку на 3 колонки. And now, let's think together. Where do you usually use each type of transport? What transport do we use on land? Каким транспортом мы пользуемся на поверхности Земли? At sea, в море. In the air, в воздухе. Complete this table, please. Заполните эту табличку. Exercise 4 matches the verbs to the nouns. Соединяем глаголы с существительными, чтобы получить словосочетание. Take a train. Сесть на поезд. Sail a boat. Плыть на лодке. Drive a car. Управлять автомобилем. Fly a plane. Лететь на самолете. Ride a bike, a motorbike. Ехать на велосипеде, на мотоцикле. Okay, now please open your students' books on page 88. Exercise 1. Look at the extracts AC from Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Verne. Guess, what is it about? A. Phileas Fogg can't find his bag. Is it in France? Is it in China? He travels to 80 countries, but where is his bag? B. It is 1872. Phileas Fogg's friends say, no one can travel around the world in 80 days. I can, says Phileas Fogg, and his adventure begins. C. Phileas Fogg works at a train station. He meets many people from different countries. He hears 80 stories from 80 places around the world, but he never travels. And now, please, let's listen to this text Around the World in 80 Days and find the correct answer. Listen, please.
CD3. Track 17. Around the World in 80 Days.
At 7:25, Phileas Fogg said good night to his friends and left the club. At 7:50, he opened the door of his house in Savile Row and went in. "Mr. Fogg, is that you?" said Passepartout. "We must go to Charing Cross Station immediately. I want to make a journey round the world." Passepartout didn't understand him. "Round the world?" he asked. "In 80 days, said Phileas Fogg. "We must go now." "Now? But your bags?" "I need one small bag. Bring my coat. Wear strong shoes. Move!" At 8 o'clock, Passepartout was ready with a small bag. "A quiet life," he thought. "Where is my quiet life?" Phileas Fogg didn't have a lot of things for the journey. He took the bag from Passepartout and put a lot of money and a railway and ship timetable into it. Then he gave the bag to Passepartout. At the station, Phileas Fogg saw his 5 friends from the club. "You're here to say goodbye? That's kind," he said. At 8:40, Phileas Fogg and Passepartout got on the train, and at 8:45, the train started.
Okay, boys and girls, you read this text yourself and translate it into Russian. You can use vocabularies or Google Translator to help you with the translation. And put the events in the correct order. We have just the first. Phileas Fogg leaves the club. Your task is to put all these sentences in the correct order. Ваша задача поставить все эти предложения в правильном порядке после того, как вы прочитаете и переведете текст. And also exercise 4. Read the text again and answer the questions. Прочитайте текст и ответьте на вопрос. Where are Phileas Fogg friends at the beginning of the extract? Where does Phileas Fogg live? Phileas Fogg asks Passepartout for 2 things. What are they? What does Phileas Fogg put inside the bag? Where are Phileas Fogg friends at the end of the extract? What time do Phileas Fogg and Passepartout leave Charing Cross Station? And exercise 5. What about you? In pairs, ask and answer. Do you like traveling? Imagine you are traveling around the world in 80 days. What do you want to put in your suitcase? Write down your answers in your exercise books. Запишите, пожалуйста, свои ответы в тетрадь. Exercise 3, exercise 4, and exercise 5. And send them to our Google Classroom. И пришлите их, пожалуйста, на проверку в наш Google Classroom. Also, you got task in your workbook. Также вы получаете задание в workbook. Page 68-69, страничка 68-69. You also send your photos to Google Classroom. Вы также отправляете ваши фотографии в Google Classroom. That is all for today. Our lesson is over. Goodbye, see you soon.